It's a great day for a drive, especially in a 2024 Ranger XLT Sport in azure gray with premium cloth inside black, and it has seating for four doors and a 5-foot box. It also has a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. You also have this nice mat in your box, and as well a trailer tow hitch, reverse camera, navigation, and power sliding rear window, and many other features. If you'd like to take this vehicle out on a test drive, you can book it online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned. We're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out. It's a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Let's have a look inside. Door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. You've got the all-weather mats with the Ranger badging, and then off on this side you have your high mount light and your lighting controls. And then on the face of the steering wheel we have our cruise control, volume, menu, and hands-free dialing. And then just let's start it up. You're going to see any important messages, the odometer reading, and the menu will come up as well. We can get in there, so it's just reminding you about seat belts and your fuel, all the handy stuff you need to know. And I'm just going to show you, there's your menu, and you can toggle through. It has sub menus. In the center we have this nice big screen, and you're seeing your sources: AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, dual climate control, heated and cooled seats. Actually, I think they're just heated. I'm going to touch on them here. Yeah, so they're just heated. Sorry about that. So you can just turn them up and down as you want. There's your fan, front and rear defrost, and then we can go into our icons here. So we have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, of course our owner's manual, navigation, and many other features. And then when we touch on the little car, we've got our controls here, so we can change the look of the display screen, you can change the measurements and so forth. Auto hold, so if you're on an incline or you're towing, you would use the auto hold to keep you in place. And then we have our camera view, so this is giving us a view without being in gear, so we can take a look even before we head off. Green, yellow, red, just how close we are to other objects or vehicles, center line, and there's your trailer hitch. Now if you put the vehicle in reverse, you're going to see the same view. However, we're now in gear and ready to go in reverse. So if you just wanted to have a peek, see what was going on behind you without putting it in gear, you could do that. And then you've got your dual climate control, your AC and max AC, hazard lights, fan, volume, and your front defrost. Down below in the cubby, we have got our USB-C and USB plus a wireless charging pad. That's right there. And then we have an automatic select shifter, a couple of cup holders, electronic parking brake, auto stop start for less idle time, your drive modes and traction control, and our 4x4. So I'm just going to touch on the drive modes, and I'm going to show you that on the screen. So it's going to come up with different icons. So normal, and then we're going to press again. We're going to go, whoops, I went a little too fast. It was eco, now sport, tow haul, and slippery. So I'm just going to push again, and it'll take us right back up to normal. So as road conditions, weather conditions change, you can use the drive modes to allow you to get more or less traction or control. And as you can see, it says what it is, but it also has the icons that change the picture, so it gives you an idea of what you're in when you press the button, so you don't have to look down. And then in the center is an armrest with a couple of cup holders and your 12 volts in there as well. Off to the side is your glove compartment. You got a little cubby there, grab handle in the body, auto dimming, rear view mirror, and you've got your lighting controls, sunglass holder, and this is the button for that power sliding window in the rear. 17-inch wheels, mud flaps, black door handle, driver's side, capless, easy fuel gas filler, the sport badging with the 4x4, and in the back, your backup camera is just below the Ford badge, backup sensors on your bumper, 4 and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and when you're ready to open it up, just put your hand in the latch, and you've got tie downs in all 4 corners, and there's easy, assisted tailgate that goes down easily, and so you notice it doesn't slam. You've also got this nice mat back here, and you've got outlets located here so you can plug in and connect. And then you've got a measuring tape on the end as well as clamps, so if you want to do a little work you can. And then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob you have remote start. Speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back, and this is a bench seat. So we're just going to lift up the armrest with the cup holders in it, and then you just pull the tab. There's one on either end, but you only need to pull one, and then it just gives you more access to the bins below and the jack. And then on the floor are All-weather mats, slim pockets on the back of the front seat, got a little cubby there, USB-C and USB outlet plus the 120, dome lighting up top, and then you've got a hook and handle as well. In the back, you've got a power sliding rear window with rear defrost. 5-foot box with a mat, mud flaps, privacy glass in the back, windows with window vents, adjustable side view mirrors with blind spot information system, halogen headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we'd love to hear your comments.